Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Technical Rudra. So today we are going to learn how to convert a .py file to a .exe file. Basically, we are converting the Python file into an executable Windows file. So to do that, you need to go in your code. And here's my code. I made a code for finding the Coven slots. So here is it. And now I will just and now to convert it you need to install just two libraries, which are PyInstaller and AutoPy2exe. So you need to just copy this by clicking here and you will get this both tabs link in the description. So take it out there also. So yes guys, I also updated it to OBS Studio because I found out it was very easy to use. That's why I updated it to OBS Studio. Okay, so now we pasted pip install PyInstaller and you have to just copy it from here and just control V here. And it will install it for me. Just wait for it for some time. So guys, as you can see, I have been coming up with here requirement already satisfied, but in your it will get installed. So yeah, so that's why my in my game requirement is already satisfied. So please don't panic if you don't see that thing. So in this also my requirements was also satisfied. That's why it came up with a zooming sound and like that. So my AutoPy2exe didn't get installed. It just said that it is already installed, but in you it will install it. And now you have to type a basic command auto dash py dash 2 dash exe. You will be visible with this command in the screen also. All commands in the screen also. This autopy.exe one. So it will just run that for me. It's running. Like as you can see here I came up with the autopy2exe. So now I will just select the where my this file is Coven slot Ghaziabad. I will just browse it. Wait a second guys, it's coming up with some problem because yes guys, so as you can see here I came up with that. I will just go to my Python project and Coven slots. So here it is, which I have opened the file Coven slots Ghaziabad. I will just click on open. So it will open it here for me. And you have to select here one file. And if you want to add an icon, you can add also. I have downloaded an icon named of Coven. So if you want, you can do that also. And here you have to set the output directory by clicking on settings. You have to set the output directory and do not touch anything else because it will corrupt it. And now you have to just click on convert.py to .exe and it will start converting it. It will take some time. Like as you can see, it's using Python 3.9.2 and PyInstaller 4.3 version to create this. It's converting now. guys, in the next video I will tell you how to decode a exe file if it is Python. So this is the exe file which I am making, and I will decode it only, and I will compare both the codes which the website has came up with and the original code. So here it is. This is complete. And now we will click on open output folder. So it will open the output folder for me, and here it is. Here is the output folder, as you can see. Here is my .exe file. I can also run it. I will show you running it. Just wait for it to load the icon. As you can see, it has also loaded the icon, the Coven icon, which I had in my downloads. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah. So this is what the icon was. I downloaded it from net, and I can also run it. And I will double click on it, and it will open an exe window because I have clicked here console based. So there are no available slots now. That's why it's coming up with the no available slots. And by this method you can convert a Python file to an exe file. And it's not printing it again and again. If you understand the code, it's not printing it again and again. The printing code is something else. Like print this one I is a variable, and it will store in it, and that's the process of converting it. Not this. So guys, I have also created a py file to an exe file with proof. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.